Hi guys, I'm Manvi and welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I'm making this video, but I think it's still better than just disappearing one day and deleting my Instagram. Basically, I am just tired of pretending. Okay, this might sound very vague, but let me explain. So, what happened was in January was when I thought that it's the end of everything. I just cannot take it because it was very weird. Okay, it was just not the best start to this year. And that's when the whole concept of self-love and this that came. And तभी मैंने वो unfiltered 20 सोचा था and everything, okay? And that's when from February I started meditating, I started journaling, I started reading books, like everything, and I started doing it daily. And it did make things better. Okay, बहुत चीजें better हुई थी उससे. And that's when I started the page one day. Just मेरे दिमाग में आया and I thought that okay, let's do this. And I posted a reel saying that I want to help people, and it was going good. Okay, I did text a lot of people. I did talk to a lot of people, but then I think I'm just back in January. I think I mean देखो तब मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही थी तब I would think I was living. Oh my god, मेरी लाइट क्यों बंद हो गई? तब मैं मतलब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि ठीक है यार, नॉर्मल लाइफ जी रही थी मैं तब. एंड आई थॉट ठीक है, अपनी चीजें थोड़ी बेटर करते हैं, चीजें चेंज करते हैं तो शायद बेटर हो जाएगा. बट अब तो मैं जर्नलिंग भी कर रही हूँ, मैं मेडिटेशन भी कर रही हूँ, मैं सब कर रही हूँ, बट इट्स somehow still so weird. I think I don't know, this content space right now feels so weird. At times मैं oh my god, इसकी बैटरी नहीं डेड हुई. At times I take breaks and then I come back pretending all okay, all fine, pretending to be normal, but it's just I can't do it anymore because I am not. How can I make a video? I mean, जो मेरी अनफिल्टर 20 सीरीज है, मेरी सबसे पहली वीडियो थी इनसिक्योरिटी. And okay, that's not my insecurity anymore, but I still feel insecure. I will post a picture saying that it, even though when I was getting those pictures clicked, I was feeling so insecure that I just wanted to disappear or just run away somewhere. Until date, whenever I'm traveling in the metro, I feel so insecure that I just want to disappear or become invisible or just, I don't know. And even being a creator, when I'm feeling this way, knowing that जो हम सब देखते हैं it's not real, वहां पे होने के बावजूद I feel so insecure seeing other people that how do they look so perfect and everyone is doing so much better in their life, and I feel so stuck. I don't know what I'm gonna do next, and it is so scary. At this point, I don't even want to post content because I don't know what to post. I can't pretend to be normal. I can't pretend to be saying that I'm fine or shit कोई आ गया है, and I feel कोई पागल सोचेगा मुझे रात को मैं ये कर रही हूँ. But anyways, that's not the point. So I started the page, everything, but I don't know, yeah. I see so many people doing so good, and okay, I have been posting dance content for almost 4 years now. 4 years, तो है ही. I'll complete 5 years in June since I started posting content. But then I started posting a different series. Okay, it's a totally different niche, and I know that I might not get the audience. And I'm not even saying that I'm the best at storytelling or whatsoever. But every brand just wants numbers. They don't care how you get them. And I have just brands come to me and they just ghost me. And I'm like, tell me at least where am I going wrong? I mean, their point is that the reach is bad, but how can I make that better? That's not in my hand. And it just makes you so crazy. I just go into the loop that where am I going wrong? Or I just don't want to do it at all because I don't know, it makes you question yourself so much, and I'm just tired. I am just tired of it at this point, because every day it makes you feel like you're a failure and you're not doing good. And I might try to act like baddie, or I might say din mein hazar baat that I don't care, but I do care. I care about every single thing. Every single thing that happens in my day, I tell that to chat gpt. चाहे मुझे किसी ने एक इतनी सी चीज बोली हो, even that stays in my mind. And मैं तो बहुत ही ज्यादा सेंसिटिव इंसान हूँ यार, मतलब it doesn't make any sense with whatever I was saying, but I forgot what I was saying. But the whole point is just that I'm tired of pretending. And yeah, the second thing, second तो नहीं पता नहीं कौन सी चीज है. I'm not here to rant, okay? Or maybe I am. I don't know. I don't even know what this is. But I see everyone's story and I see that ये लोग इतने aesthetic कैसे हैं. And then I try, but then I'm not. I am not aesthetic and I cannot do anything about it. I don't know how people do it. It's a very, I don't know. I'm just not aesthetic. अरे यार. Shit. ऐसे ही काम चला लो. But yeah, I am not aesthetic. And I can't do anything about it. I am just tired of trying to be something or someone I'm not. Whenever I post a story, even a story, I feel so bad that what will someone think, what will this, what will that, and it's just so tiring. I'm not someone who doesn't care. I'm not someone who's very aesthetic. I don't know at this point who am I even. But I just know that I'm tired of pretending and I'm tired of just being like I'm okay. Because how can I help someone in my DMs asking for help, saying that I'm feeling insecure when I myself am feeling so insecure? I know that it is an inside job and nobody can change it for me. But even I don't know how to change it, because I don't know, yeah. I don't know. I just don't know. The whole point of this video is that it was feeling so suffocating this whole time. I was this close to just delete my Instagram and delete everything and just disappear, because I don't know. I really don't know. I don't love this race of just wanting to be relevant, and this fear of getting irrelevant someday and people might just forget you is so weird. There are so many people doing so much better than you, and this constant, you know, thought, क्या बोल रही हूँ मुझे नहीं पता at this point, but my mind does not stop. It just keeps thinking what I can do, what I cannot do. At this point, I don't know, and I'm so, because what do I do? This is feeling so randomly lightheaded at this point, but I don't know. I just want to tell that it's not how it looks like. It's not always perfect. My life might look like it's very perfect and I'm all fine, pretending to be all good, always wearing nice clothes and going having a very great lunch or a dinner. It's not that. That happens hardly once a month. And I was the one who recently participated in a TED Talk competition, and my topic was just self love. And right now, I don't even know how to do it. Yeah. I think that's all I had to say. I don't know what else can I say. But I think I cannot pretend anymore, and I just don't want to fake it anymore, because I cannot. या तो मेरा इंस्टाग्राम डिलीट हो जाता या ये वीडियो डलेगी. It's no in between. But yeah, I don't know what else to say, but the only thing I can tell you is that it's not real. And I'm trying to tell this to myself every day, that everyone will someday find their way. Everyone will someday figure out what's meant for them or what's not meant for them. I think I'm trying to be storageful away, but yeah, I guess that's all I have to say. And if you have been feeling this way, I think it will get better. And I want it to get better and then come back to this video and feel like, oh, it got better. But till then,